A very good morning and Jai Hind students, and this is Amit Kumar Gautam and you are watching my mathematics lecture of class 8. I hope you will be alright at your home and you are doing your work in time. And in my previous video we discussed some divisibility of 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10. And in the today's video we are going to starting exercise 4.2 and I discussed some question 1 2 3 4 5 how to do your question, but some of you are facing problems while doing these questions. So in this video we start question number first, and your question number first is which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? As the identity of divisibility by 2 is the unit place digit must be 0 or what, or an even number. So in the first number 65, the unit place digit is 5, which is a odd number. That means 65 is not divisible by 2 without doing actual division, right? So what you have to write in your fair copy, the number is 65, right? So you have to write, since the ones place digit is an odd number, that is the given number 65 is not divisible by 2. You have to write these words in your fair copy while doing the question, right? And the second part of your question is 96. The 6 is unit place digit and 6 is even number, that means 96 is divisible by 2. Similarly 130 is also divisible by 2. And what about 218? 218 contains 8 in the last digit, that means unit place digit. This means what? This means 218 is also divisible by 2. Question number 2, you have to do all the parts, B part, C part and D part yourself, right? Question number 2, which of the following numbers are divisible by 3 and 6 both, right? So question number 2, you have to check the divisibility of 3 and 6 both. Divisibility of 3 and 6, right? If we factorize 6, the factors of 6 are 2 and 3, right? That means if a number is divisible by 2 and 6, so 2 and 3 both, the given number must be divisible by 6. That means we have to check the divisibility of 2 and 3. And your first part is 42. A part 42, right? First of all we check the divisibility of 2, because the unit digit is 2. Therefore 42 is divisible by 2. यूनिट डिजिट भी 2 है और आपको डिविजिबिलिटी भी 2 की ही चेक करनी है. दिस मीन्स वॉट 42 इज डिविजिबल बाई 2. नाउ वी चेक 42 is also divisible by 3. What is the identity of divisibility 3? The sum of digits equals 4 plus 2 and the number is 6, and you very well know 6 is always divisible by 3. So you have to write sum, this means 6 is divisible by 3. That means 42 is also divisible by 3, right? The given number 42 is divisible by 2 as well as it is also divisible by 3. This means what? The given number is also divisible by 6. Therefore, it must be divisible by 6. You have to check for 2 digits every part of question number 2, right? The divisibility of 2, you have to check the unit digit, and in the divisibility of 3, you have to check the sum of digits. If the sum of digits is divisible by 3, that means the given number is also divisible by 3. But if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, that means we can say that the number is also divisible by 6, right? Now the divisibility of 39, B part and C part and D part, you have to do yourself. Right? चलिए इसका मैं एक पार्ट और डिस्कस करता हूँ. आई विल डिस्कस 290, right? Because 290 contains 0 at unit place, or you can say ones place, right? Ones place. This means what? That is 290 is divisible by 2, right? Now we have to check the divisibility of 3. The sum of digits, it is equal to 2 plus 9 plus 0. And what is the sum? The sum so obtained is 11, and 11 is not divisible by 3, right? That means you have to write, but 11 is not divisible by 3. This means what? The given number is not divisible by 6, right? In this question, this is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. That means P implies the given number can never divisible by 6, right? If any one of 2 and 3 fails to divide the given number, that means the given number can never be divisible by 6, right? Now the question number 4, which of these numbers are divisible by 10? And in the first part we are given 903, 930, 265, and you very well know what is the divisibility of 10. The divisibility of 10 says if the number contains 0 in unit place, then the number is divisible by 10, right? So we use the identity of divisibility of 10 in question number 3. The remaining part of question number 2, B part and C part, you have to do yourself in your fair copy, right? Question number 3, which of these numbers are divisible by 10? And your first part is 903. You can check easily because the unit digit is 3. That means 903 is not divisible by 10, and 930 contains 0 at unit place. That means 930 is divisible by 10. Similarly, 200 is also divisible by 10, but 65 is not divisible by 5, right? But what you have to do in your fair copy, I'm going to discuss part D. D part, 65. Since 65 doesn't contain 0 at unit place. This means what? Therefore 65 is not divisible by 10. You have to write this theory in your copy in every part of question number 3. Sorry, it is question number 3, not 4. It is question number 3. But in question number 4, replace hashtag by smallest digit so that the following numbers are divisible by 3. In the first part, star 25, 6 has 25, 6 has 7, 29 has, and 4 ones has 7. And the B part of question number 4 is 6 hashtag 7, right? And you have to check the divisibility of 3. You very well know what is the divisibility of 3. If the sum of digits is divisible by 3, that means the given number must be divisible by 3, right? So it is given that 6 hashtag 7 is divisible by 3. This means what? That means 6 plus hashtag plus 7, the sum is always divisible by 3. This means what? This means this, right? 6 and 7, it is 13. 13 plus hashtag must be divisible by 3. Now you have to choose a number in the place of hashtag so that the sum is divisible by 3. So we need to 2 digit, right? Because we are having 13. If we add 2 in the place of hashtag, that means the sum is 15, and 15 is always divisible by 3. So this means we have to remove, if hashtag equals to, then the sum, this sum equals 13 plus 2. 13 plus 2, it is 15, right? And you have to write, this implies 15 is divisible by 3, right? But what about the other values of hashtag? If we add 5, so that the sum will be 18, and 18 is also divisible by 3. If we add the another number 8, so the sum is 21, and 21 is also divisible by 3. So what value of hashtag we have to take in this question? So in this question we are given, replace hashtag by smallest digit. Smallest means the smallest value of hashtag, and the smallest value of hashtag is 2. And we have to always take positive value for any number, right? So 2 is smallest value. 5 and 8 are not smallest, because इनके बाद आप कोई भी नंबर लोगे बड़े से बड़े आ जाने हैं. सो जब भी क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा जाए तो आप उसमें स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट बताओगे ऑलवेज, राइट? इन बी पार्ट, sorry, in C part it is 29 has, and you have to check for 3. Now we discuss part D, and in part D we are given that 4 hashtag 17, and you have to write the same theory for this. The sum equals 4 plus hashtag plus 1 and plus 7, right? This means what? 7 and 1 8, 8 and 4 12 plus hashtag, right? So what the value of hashtag we have to take so that the sum is divisible by 3? So we have to remove this hashtag by 0. Why? Because we are having 12 and 12 is already divisible by 3. 12 is a factor of 3. Sorry, multiple of 3. That means we have to replace hashtag equals 0, right? But if this number is 11 and any other number which is not multiple of 3, then we have to take the value of hashtag which is least and satisfies the question. Therefore the sum is 12 and 12 is divisible by 3. That means the accepted value of hashtag is 3 in D part, right? But question number 5, complete the following table using divisibility condition, right? Then first number is 140 and you have to write the answer. Divisible by 2, yes or no. Divisible by 3, yes or no. Divisible by 5, divisible by 9 and divisible by 10. So you have to check all these numbers for 2, 3, 4, 9 and 10, right? So what is the divisibility of 2? The divisibility of 2 says that if the unit digit is even or 0, that means the given number must be divisible by 2. That means you have to write here yes. You have to write here yes or this. Divisibility of 4 and 1, it is 5. 5 and 0, again 5 and 5. That means the sum of digits is not divisible by 3. That means the given number 140 is not divisible by 3. That means you have to write a sign wrong. Divisibility of 5. This number contains 0 or 5. If this number contains 0 or 5 at a unit place, that means the number must be divisible by 5. This number contains 0. This means what? This means the number is divisible by 5 also. What about 140? Divisibility of 9. The sum is 5 and 5 is not divisible by 3. जब ये 3 से ही divisible नहीं हुआ तो आप 9 की divisibility कभी भी चेक नहीं करोगे, right? The divisibility of 10 says that what? If it contains only 0 at unit place, so it contains. That means the divisibility of 10 is also satisfies. Now there are some points, key point and you can say important point that you have to learn for exam purpose, and the points are given. The generalized form of a 2-digit number is 10a plus b. That means if a number is in the form ab, ये मैंने पहले भी डिस्कस कर दिया. दिस इज यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट, दिस इज टेंस प्लेस डिजिट and we always multiply 10 in 10 place digit and we add the unit place digit as it is, right? The generalized form of a 3-digit number is given by 100 multiplied by a plus 10 into b plus c if the number is of the form a b c, right? Because the place of a is 100 and the place of b is 10 and c is 1. A number is divisible by 2 if the ones digit is what? It is 2. Is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits is 3, and is divisible by 5 if the ones digit is either 0 or 5, right? And this number is divisible by 10 if it contains digit 0 at unit place, right? And the given number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9, right? So these are the key points that you have to learn in from exam purpose. Now you have to do worksheet and page number 50, right? And in this worksheet you have to do some selected questions, right? A part, B part, C part, and you don't need to do question number 1 D part. You have to do E part, F, G, H and I, right? You don't need to this अभी ये इसलिए नहीं करना है बिकॉज चैप्टर नंबर 2 एक्सपोनेंट एंड पावर वी डिडंट कंप्लीट दिस चैप्टर. अ नंबर विद एन डिजिट हैज़ डिजिट, ये भी करना है आपको. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 अभी ये नहीं करना है आपको, ए पार्ट, ये भी अभी नहीं करना है. नो दिस. In question number 8, the B part you don't need to do. And all the questions from 1 to 10 you have to do. If there is any problem while doing these questions, you can contact me between 12 to 2 PM, right? So आज की वीडियो में इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, जय हिंद, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.